Good morning, everybody. Today we are here with another one formula, that is factorization by using the formula for the cube of a binomial, that is x plus y whole cube and x minus y whole cube. The formula is given here: x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, and just for the minus one, x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. I have to just use these formulas and solve some of the problems I have solved here just to explain you all. The first one question is 3x plus 2 whole cube. 3x plus 2 whole cube. In this question, you can clearly see 3x is supposed as A and 2 is supposed as B. Now, this is in the form of A plus B whole cube. 3x in place of 3x, it is A, and in place of B, it is 2. So, we'll use this formula, x plus y whole cube, that is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy plus x plus y. Now, you can see this. In place of x, we'll have to use 3x. So, x cube, that is 3x whole cube, y cube, that is 2 whole cube, plus 3 into x, that is 3x, and y, that is 2. And 3x once again, and here 2. Now, solving this, we'll get 3x whole cube, that is equal to 27x cube, plus 2 whole cube is 8, plus 3 into 3, that is 9, into 2, that is 18x, into 3x plus 2. And this will be solved once again in the next step, that is 27x cube plus 8 plus 18 into 3, that is 54x square, plus 18x into 2, that is 36. The first one question. Another one question is for 4 by 5 x minus 2 whole cube. Once again, we can suppose here 4 by 5 x as A and 2 as B. So, once again, this is in the form of 4 by 5x is A and 2 is B. So, A minus B whole cube. What is the formula A minus B whole cube? X minus y whole cube is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So, in place of A, we'll clearly use 4 by 5x, and in place of B, we'll use 2. So, 4 by 5 x cube, that is 4 by 5 x whole cube minus y cube, that is 2 whole cube. Once again, in this way, minus 3 into A, that is 4 by 5x, into B, that is 2, into under bracket 4 by 5x, which is equal to A minus B, that is 2. Clear? Now, we'll have to solve it. 4 by 5 whole cube, that is 64 by 125, x cube minus 2 cube, that is 8, minus 3 into 4, that is 12, into 224 by 5x, into under bracket whatever it is written here, simply we'll have to write this. Once again, in the next step, we'll solve it. That is 64 by 125 x cube minus 8 minus 24 into 4, that is 96, by 5 into 5, that is 25, x into x, that is x square. And this will be minus into minus, that is plus 24 into 2, that is 48x, and 5 divided by 5. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हम लोग आते हैं. The another one question, I hope this one question you all have understood. The another one is a different type of question, that is 998 whole cube. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन को हम लोग डायरेक्टली भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 998 into 998 into 998, but it's very large answer. You'll get a very large answer and it will take a lot of time. So, just to save our time, we can use this formula. We can write this 998 in terms of 10, 100, 1000. In terms of 1000, we have written here, that is 1000 minus 2. that will be equal to 998. So 1000 minus 2 whole cube, that is equal to a minus b whole cube, where a is equal to 1000 and b is equal to 2. So a minus b whole cube, it is in the form of a minus b whole cube. Once again, we'll use the formula. A cube, that is 1000 cube, minus b cube, that is 2 cube, minus 3 into a, that is 1000, into b, that is 2, into a minus b, that is 1000 minus 2. We'll solve it once again. This will be equal to 1 and 9 times zeros minus 8. 2 cube is 8 minus 3 into 2 is 6000 under bracket, that is into 1000 minus 2. In the next step, we'll solve it like this will be solved. This will be written as this one 6. This is 1 and 9 zeros minus 8 minus 6000 into 1000, that is equal to this much, and minus into minus is plus, and 6000 into 2 is 12,000. If we'll solve this, we'll get this one answer. This is the answer. After solving this, we'll get this one answer. Clear? I think everybody is clear. In the last questions, we have already seen, हम लोगों ने क्या किया, हम लोगों ने एक्सपेंशन किया. इस एक्स प्लस वाई होल क्यूब के फॉर्म में था, जिसको हमने इस फॉर्म में लिखा. अब हम जो नया टाइप का क्वेश्चन दे रहे हैं, इसमें क्या हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. अब ये इस फॉर्म में है एंड वी विल हैव टू पुट इट इन दिस फॉर्म, विल हैव टू चेंज इन दिस फॉर्म. इसको कैसे करेंगे. 8a होल क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 12a square b plus 6ab square. We can write this as this 8a whole cube can be 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube. That is, if we'll just cube of 2 is 8 and a cube plus b whole cube plus from these two we'll take out highest common factor, that is 6ab from these two, and the remaining part is क्या बच रहा है यहां पे 6 into 2, that is 12. A we have taken out, 1a is left here. B we have already taken out, so no b is here. Plus from this one we have taken out 6ab, only b will be remaining here. Now in the next step, now you can see this 2a whole cube plus b cube plus this can be written as 3 into 2a into b. This is equal to 6ab. So we can write 6ab in the form of 3 into 2a into b, and this will be written in this form. Now you all can clearly see this. This is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a into b into a plus b. That is, this is what form? This is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. What is this? This is x plus y whole cube. So we can write here 2a plus b cube. Why we have written 2a plus cube? Because in place of x here it is 2a, and in place of b here it is in place of y here it is b. So this type of question can be, these are the questions which are expansion, and this is the question in which we'll have to change it into this way. Clear? I think all of you are understanding. Now we have already discussed some of the problems yesterday, and I have given you some of the questions, I think 10 questions in the homework. But some of the question I have given you, which I hope you all have not completed, because it's typical question. So I'm just going to discuss it. The question number 4. Question number 4 is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube minus 8. Now this part I have just now discussed This part was not discussed yesterday. So this is in this form. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Just now I have discussed x a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, which can also be written as a cube plus b cube plus, this will be multiplied by a, that is 3a square b, and plus into plus, that is plus 3ab into b, that is 3ab square. Clear? So this form is question here. I have given you this form is question here. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So for this we can write a plus b whole cube, and for this 8 we can write this as 2 whole cube. So now in the last videos we have discussed a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We have discussed it. So in place of this a, what is this? It is completely a plus b, and what is here b is 2. So we'll use the different variable, that is x and y. So suppose a plus b is equal to x and 2 is equal to y. So what is this? X cube minus y cube. We can write this as x minus y. In place of x, that is a plus b. In place of y, that is 2. X minus y, that is a plus b minus 2. Clear? Now x square. X square is what? A plus b whole square plus xy. Xy is what? A plus b into 2 plus y square. Y square is what? 2 square. In the next step, a plus b minus 2 into, now this will be breadth into, or we can write directly a plus b whole square plus 2 into a plus b plus 2 square is 4. This will be your answer. Okay. Now the another question which was given in the homework is a cube minus 2 root 2 b cube, which I have discussed for you all. This is a cube minus 2 root 2 b cube. I have already solved this question, but I have to explain this. Just we'll suppose a is equal to x. And what is this? 2 root 2. 2 root 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 into root 2. That is root 2 whole cube. Clear? Root 2 whole cube. So here it is 2 root 2 b cube. So we can write this as root 2 b whole cube. Then what is y here? Root 2 b. So I have supposed a as x and root 2 b as y. So now once again same, we'll have to use the same formula, that is a cube minus b cube or x cube minus y cube. I have already discussed in first and second videos. X cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So we'll have to use this formula. So in place of x minus y, we'll write a minus root 2b. In place of x square, that is a square plus xy, that is a into root 2b, plus in place of y square, what is y? Root 2b. So root 2b whole square, and we'll solve it. A minus root 2b, a square plus root 2ab plus root 2 square. What is root 2 square? Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 square is root 2 into root 2, that is equal to 2. So root 2 square will be 2 and b square. This is the another one question. Now the last one question. No. I think it's a second last one question. Once again, this is a x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 7. The ninth one question. I will have to discuss it. The question is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 7. We'll have to discuss this question. So how we have solved this question? How to solve this question? In this type of question, in this type of problem, we'll have to change this constant. We have to change this constant or break this constant. जैसे हम चाहें इसको इस तरह से ब्रेक करेंगे कि ये एक क्यूब का फॉर्म दे, तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं -7 को हम लिख सकते हैं -8 + 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू 7. सो हमने इसको यूज कर लिया -8 + 1. अब इसको हम जैसा था वैसा लिख लिए, जस्ट केवल -7 को हमने लिख लिया -8 + 1. अब इसको ब्रेक करना शुरू करते हैं. x क्यूब दैट इज x होल क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर इंटू 1 प्लस 3 इंटू x इंटू 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 क्यूब. ये आपके समझ में हो सकता है ना भी आए, तो इसको हम तुरंत अभी जस्ट हम लोग चेंज करेंगे. अभी जस्ट हमने डिस्कस किया, हमने जस्ट अभी एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया है. इस पे हम अभी देख लेते हैं इसको. आप देखिए, ये फॉर्मूला हमने देखा है a प्लस बी का होल क्यूब. ये क्या होता है? a क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस 3ab इंटू a प्लस बी. इसको हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं a क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस 3a स्क्वायर बी प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर. हम इसी फॉर्म में इसको ब्रेक कर रहे हैं. आप ध्यान दोगे, एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर इंटू 1. यहां है क्या? हमने यहां पे लिया, इसको यहां मल्टीप्लाई किया है और ये यहां है. मतलब ये किस फॉर्म में आ गया? 3a स्क्वायर b के फॉर्म में आ गया. और ये किसके फॉर्म में है? 3ab स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में है. यहां पे a क्या है? x है. b क्या है? 1 है. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? प्लस b क्यूब हमने यूज कर लिया, a क्यूब प्लस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर प्लस b क्यूब माइनस इसको सेपरेटली हमने 8 को 2 क्यूब लिख लिया है. क्लियर? अब देखो, x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर इंटू 1 प्लस 3x इंटू 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 क्यूब कैन बी रिटन एज x प्लस 1 होल क्यूब. चूंकि इसका ही ये तो फॉर्म था ना, a प्लस बी का होल क्यूब, a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर. इसी को तो हमने ऐसा लिखा है. क्लियर? हमने लिख दिया. इसके बाद हम क्या कर रहे हैं? ये इस फॉर्म में आ गया. अब इसको हम दोबारा पहले वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे, a क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब. a क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब हमने जस्ट अभी सॉल्व किया है, बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया है. a माइनस बी, एक्स प्लस 1 माइनस 2, a स्क्वायर एक्स प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर. a यहां क्या है? एक्स प्लस 1 है. b क्या है? दिस इज a, दिस कंप्लीट इज a एंड दिस इज b. x प्लस 1 क्या है? a है, तो हमने a माइनस b रख लिया. a स्क्वायर प्लस 2 सॉरी ए बी प्लस ए बी या बी ए इज सेम प्लस पी स्क्वायर दैट इज 2 स्क्वायर. इसको हमने सॉल्व किया. x प्लस 1 माइनस 2 दैट इज इक्वल टू x माइनस 1. नाउ दिस विल बी ब्रेक इनटू a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर दैट इज a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू x इंटू 1 दैट इज 2x प्लस 1 स्क्वायर इज 1 प्लस, अब इसको हमने ब्रेक किया, 2 इंटू x इज 2x प्लस इंटू प्लस प्लस 2 into 1 2 plus 2 square is 4. Clear? Now this can be written as, in the next step we'll solve it, x minus 1 into x square, and the terms of x will be added, 2x plus 2x that is 4x, and constant 1, constant 2 and constant 4 becomes 7 here. This is the last question I'm discussing today, and these are some of the more problems which I'll send it in your assignment. There are 10 questions, and हमने जो लास्ट होमवर्क भी दिया है उसमें भी एक क्वेश्चन रिमेनिंग है जो बच रहा है, जो हमको डिस्कस करना है, जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे. आई थिंक आपको इसमें प्रॉब्लम हुआ होगा, और इसमें भी कई सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चन हैं जो थोड़ा टिपिकल आपको लगेगा, बट इसको हम लोग फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस कर लेंगे. थैंक यू.